Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we have a must-have for your wardrobe, especially if you're on the lookout for the best women's sweaters and cardigans that are both lightweight and stylish. The Amazon Essentials Women's Lightweight Crewneck Cardigan Sweater. Whether you're layering it over a dress, pairing it with jeans, or using it for an extra layer of warmth during chilly evenings, this cardigan is perfect for any occasion. Let's talk about the fit. This cardigan offers a regular fit, which means it's snug but not too tight. It's designed to give you a comfortable and flattering look without compromising on comfort. The lightweight cotton blend fabric, composed of 55% cotton, 25% modal, and 20% polyester, provides just the right amount of stretch and softness for all-day wear. The fabric drapes beautifully, making it easy to wear with anything from casual outfits to more polished looks. One of the standout features of this cardigan is its versatility. The crewneck design gives it a classic and timeless appeal. The button front closure allows you to style it in multiple ways, whether you want to leave it open for a relaxed look or button it up for a more structured appearance. The ribbed detail at the cuffs and hem adds a touch of texture, ensuring that the cardigan holds its shape while still being flexible enough to move in. This sweater is also a breeze to care for. Simply machine wash it cold and dry flat to keep it looking fresh. Whether you're wearing it at the office, on a weekend outing, or just lounging at home, the Amazon Essentials Women's Lightweight Crewneck Cardigan Sweater is sure to become a staple in your closet. Another great thing about this sweater is that it comes in a variety of sizes, including plus sizes, ensuring that everyone can enjoy its comfort and style. The price point is also incredibly affordable, making it a great option for those who want quality without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a versatile, lightweight cardigan that combines comfort with style, this one from Amazon Essentials is definitely worth considering. Its modern yet classic design makes it a perfect layering piece for any season. And with the number of positive ratings it's received, you can trust that you're investing in a quality piece that will serve you well for years to come. That's it for today's review of the Amazon Essentials Women's Lightweight Crewneck Cardigan Sweater. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.